Lungs, there are two lungs, one lying on each side. The shape of the lungs is cone shaped and its weight is 600 to 700 grams and the length is 20 to 24 centimeters and it is pinkish in color, and three lobes in the right lung and two lobes are present in the left lung, and these are mainly separated by the fissures. And surface of the lungs contains apex, a base, costal surface and medial surface. Apex is a rounded part and it is the root of the neck, and base is concave in shape and lies on thoracic surface, and costal surface is convex in shape and lies on cartilages. Medial surface is concave in shape and it roughly contains triangular shaped area. And you can see in the structure clearly the right lung and left lung and its parts, which is oblique fissure, and the middle part is known as mediastinum. Pleura. Pleura forms a sac of serous membrane around the lungs and it contains serous fluid. It is mainly divided into two layers. They are visceral layer and parietal layer. Visceral layer attaches to the lungs and parietal layer attaches to the inside of the chest wall. And then pleural cavity separates these two pleural layers and it causes the prevention of friction during the breathing, and the serous fluid which is secreted by epithelial cells of the membrane which will be secreted through this pleural cavity. And you can see the diagram of the pleura here. You can clearly see the visceral pleura and parietal pleura and left pleural cavity and right pleural cavity, and the middle layer is mediastinum. And right lung is mainly having more lobes when compared with the left. It is divided into three lobes, upper, middle and lower, and they are separated by two fissures. One oblique fissure separates middle and lower lobe, horizontal fissure separates middle and upper lobe. Next, left lung is divided into two lobes. They are upper lobe and lower lobe. They are also separated by oblique fissure, and mediastinal surface of the left lung has an importance that this surface contains cardiac impression. This cardiac impression where the heart of a human being will sits. And the functions of the lungs, you know very well, it is mainly useful for control of air and exchange of gases, warming and humidifying, removal of the particulate matter, and also useful in the cough reflex. So this is about the lungs. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.